Finish up rewiring the trailer. Brand new wire, brand new lights. I just put this on there, which I said a little more. We're ready to roll. LED. This is for lawnmowers, whatever. Sun is very, very warm right now. It was so cold this morning, it was frost on the ground. It sure changes and it's nice and warm here in Georgia. Jeff, what are we doing? Finishing up this? What is this?
Huh? Oh, you video. Yeah. Since Dave got here, we figured we'd put a fence around the pool. Of course, we got to put another pool in. The one that we had was rotten. But the pump's what costs all the money, not the pool.
So, is this for privacy or for just looks?
Just to keep little kids and dogs out of it.
Because I was going to say, if it's for privacy, they can peek through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking good. And Jeffrey made me a step for my trailer. So I cut the outdoor carpet, stapled it on, some motion sensor lights, and boom, 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 that's it. Secret lives of a pet. This is what they do when mom and dad's away. The dogs go play, never mind the cats. And that was whining. That's okay, Uncle Dave's here to take care of you. What are you doing? What's up?